Uh, yeah. Oh, dang, you spawned right next to me, man. Yo, come on, open, man. Hey, yo, Shuby. Little Peters, right here. Little Peters, Shuby. Alright, come on, big boy. Let's do this. Oh, this helper should respawn. Never mind, shoot me again. This nigga be taking my health down quick, but he don't be killing me. Yeah. Don't kill me, don't kill me. I'm just run to the help aid. Nah, this nigga's motherfucker, man. Yo, if you get smacked this time, I'm gonna lie. Who, him? Yeah, shotguns, he do got a turbo. He just don't know how to use it because he takes my health down quick. He's my friend. He's my friend. He already know not to shoot. He already know not to kill. Nah, man, don't use that pole. Come on. Alright, 10-0, man. It's over, man. Get smart.